What's up, Joe? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. We're going to take a quick look at the website and see what we can do. So right off the bat, I can see just a couple things. Don't get mad at me for this, but this is a little bit big. Not only that, but JL1 shrimp painting. I do love the logo and all. Little big for this. We want to kind of tuck it like above my thingy over here. So it's about a quarter of the size of this guy. Now, your number right over here is not a click to call, but also your Facebook is right behind it. Another problem I see is I can scroll a little bit left, so no color over there. So that's a huge problem. Um, Overall, it's I'm gonna be straight messy, and it's not exactly someone might come onto the website and go through, but they might also leave very quickly. Now, you do talk a little bit about it, about what's going on, but not about your services at all. Now, somebody can click on services, but they're gonna need to scroll over here, and I dare say I don't know what it would look like on an actual phone. So you go through, unfortunately, you don't talk about it, and that's a big problem because we got to talk about what it is you're doing, right? A website is a tool for you to use, right? You want somebody to come to here, see the clean content, look and read the service that they're specifically looking for, and then click on the call button so that they can get in contact with you. I did not mean to do that, but anyway, so now it's kind of getting annoying. Anyway, we're back, but we're now at the bottom. There's a huge amount of space, and I can see it's created by Wix. That's a huge problem in itself because they just say, "Hey, we'll build one and put it out there." But then looking at the back end over here, there is absolutely zero data. So I don't know how long ago this was created, but nothing has been done with your website for a while. Um, there's no backlinks, there's no referring domains, there's no keywords, there's no traffic, there's no nothing. That's a problem. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about what a keyword is because that's very important. A keyword is what somebody will put into Google to find your services, right? Now, I put in more of a generic one, painters or Atlanta, Georgia, right? It's very simple. Somebody's looking for a painter in Atlanta, Georgia. So let's take a look and see what we found. So right off the bat, we have all these Google ads. Now, if you play your cards right, Google ads can be extremely helpful in getting quick customers for you. Um, you could have, you would build, I'm not even going to get into what you would do for it, but it's very good. Could be costly if you don't do it correctly. But then over here, you can get yourself in here as well with another ad, pay for that spot. But we have our GMB Google My Business profile now. They're very important to get in here because 3 out of 10 people will click on one of these guys over here. But then you have your organic search, which is great to have. This is where anyone can rank as long as you do the right thing. So we got Yelp, we got Home Advisor, and then we got your first big guy, Atlanta Painting Company. So let's see what they got. So serving Rossville, Georgia area, painters you can trust. Here's their number. I'm taking points off of their team here because this is not a click to call either, so I'm a little mad. But they have drop down menus as you can see. Services, Paint It Forward, which is I believe a charity organization. Like they'll do a hospital or something nice and. Very good to do it. I would probably have a paragraph on it unless they don't already. This is also very important. Put your full name, phone number, email, and then what type of project you're looking for, so that you can call them back very quickly. Talking about us and well about who they are: interior, exteriors, masonry, painting. So very good job on putting actual stuff in here. I would probably have it about 2, 3 paragraphs a piece for each and every one of them. That way you can get the proper keywords in there as well. Get a free home quote, receive a detailed quote, your project scheduled, registered, just showing people why they should choose them, especially with that. Consistent communication, format in every job, golden rules. So it's just a lot about what they do and why they should be chosen. That's all good to have, but more in the about section, less about what it is. Now, the one thing they didn't talk about was their charity work. That's something I probably would have really put on here. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what they're doing. So they have a UR rating, which is basically how strong their website link is, and they have a DR rating of 31, which is how much Google trusts them. Now, they are in the golden area of the 30s and 40s, which is really where you really want them to be. Now, they also have backlinks included in here. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else for somebody to click on it. Now, not all of them are created equal. Some of them are like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia, so they're spammy. You don't want those, but they do have 247 referring back to them. Now, I'm going to go ahead and on a limb here and say that these are really good ones for them to have a DR rating of 31. Now, they do have 388 different organic keywords, but let's find out what they actually are. So painting company, you don't want this because this is an international keyword, right? Anyone in the United States and the world can kind of put this in and find any website. So yeah, they're ranking for it nationally, and they're getting almost 1,000 people to their website to it, but I don't even see what the point is. It's not going to help them out. Because what if they're all in China? Atlanta Painting Company is a better one, even though it's so huge, but he's still getting 472 people to his website through that. So that's extremely good. Atlanta Painting Contractor, again, 459 of them. He's on position two. Now, all of these changes are new. Um, Honestly speaking, I don't even know how he got to there so quickly. If they're this new, this quickly, whatever. Whatever. I have no idea how he did that to get there that quickly anyway, especially when these are this high. It could be over the course of months, probably course of like 6 to 8 months or 12 months even. But interior paint is Atlanta. You're looking for volume, you're looking for traffic, you're looking for the position in order to help you with that. Now, how does this help you guys out? Honestly, Joe, all we got to do really is get you some backlinks. Take the ones from this guy. Find out the ones he's got that are working really well. Put that on your website itself. Get yourself some content. Clean up your website a little bit. If you need to change, from Wix to somebody else, I would definitely do that. Get yourself some organic keywords within that content. About 1,500 to 2,000 words of content sprinkled with those organic keywords, and you should be fine. Other than that, I got nothing else for you, Joe. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But you have an amazing day. Bye.